Yo, yo, hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this Cronier hair trimmer with the model number CR123. Yeah, the box is really good, a hard one, and they claim it got 7,000 RPM. I guess maybe without the blade. In the back, I really love this. This is a home use hair trimmer. For the specs, got 5 watts, 1400 milliamp battery, 2 hours charging time, and 3 hours operating time. Got 3 guide combs. So, okay. Inside, charging cable, and okay, this, I thought it's a charging stand. I thought so. No, it's just for home use. Okay, so I can't plug anything. They should have made it a charging stand. Okay, inside we got oil, 3 guide combs, and little brush. Okay, the last one. Okay, not yours. Inside, it's a very strong box. We got the manual. Okay. So now let's see if maybe it's rest good. As you can see, it's really resting good here. Okay, and I guess the guide comes here. So let me try it. And for the brush, it's not here. For the oil, also not. And here it's even rating 4mm, 3 and 2. Okay, so the smallest. Nice. Okay, this is the 2. This one is the, no, this one. Okay. For the brush, should have been somewhere here. And oil. This looks good, huh? So what do you say, guys? USB Type-C charging, which is good. LCD display, the power button, okay. It's very small. Okay, it's not a fast one. It's rating 7,000 RPM, maybe without blade, I don't know. Okay, let's make an RPM test. Okay, that's really less. We need to snap out blade. So without the blade, it's not at 7,000 RPM. Okay, and that's it for this unboxing video, and this is just for home use hair trimmer. So it is possible to be zero gapped, in case if maybe you want to know. That's it, and peace, man. All right.